Okay, Gary, I got a demonstration video put together for you here of your custom NavLight set for the helicopter. Now, we got a lot going on here. This thing turned out to be a whole lot more complicated than I anticipated when we first talked, but let me show you what we've got going here. You've got 3 modes: off, everything but the landing lights on, and then everything on. I've got them grouped. These are your 5mm navigation lights, red, green, and the solid white for the tail. These are the 3 landing lights, the 2 wigwag 8mm and the solid 8mm, I guess you'd call it a taxi light. It just comes on and stays on solid. And then these are the 2 8mm asynchronous strobes and the 5mm simulated rotating beacon. So right now the channel is all the way off at 0%, so everything is off. We're going to advance the channel, and you'll see that the asynchronous strobes come on. Let me rotate these here so you can get a better, the camera's kind of washing them out a little bit, but you've got the red double blink, white double blink, and then the simulated rotating beacon. On this white background, it's a little hard to see that what that beacon is doing, but it's there. You can get a better idea of it. It's kind of bright in the shop here. And you got your navigation lights, red, green, and the solid white tail cone. And then as we advance the channel further, you'll see that the landing lights come on. You got the 2 8mm wigwag and the taxi light. So I'm going to back the channel down now, and you'll see that the landing lights go off, navigation lights and the strobe and beacon stay on, and then when we back the channel down, everything goes off. Now, you got one other feature that I built into it since I had the memory space, and it's a part of the all-in-one circuit that I used as the basis for this anyway. And you didn't, I don't think I ever ask you whether you wanted a double blink or a triple blink on these strobes. So you've got a little push button right here. It's under this white wire here. Let me move this wire so you can see it. There's a little push button right here on the main circuit board that will allow you to choose between a double blink and a triple blink on these strobes. Let me get a darker background maybe here behind those strobes, so you can see what they're doing a little better. Okay, we're in the double blink setting now. I'm going to press this button, and you'll see that they will go to a triple blink. Okay, rotating beacon stays the same, but you've got a triple blink, and now if you press it again, they will all start to fade up and down to tell you that you're starting over in the choice of your sequencing. We press it the next time and we're back to the double blink. So you'll be able to choose between double blink and triple blink, and about 20 seconds or so after you make your selection, the circuit saves that into its memory, so the next time you turn the copter on, it will be back at that previous setting. So I'm going to set this over here on this darker colored background. You might get a little bit better idea of how everything is looking. It's so bright in here, and the camera is adjusting the exposure, so it's kind of washing everything out for you. But there's everything on: 2 landing lights, taxi light, your navigation lights, and your 2 asynchronous strobes, 1 red, 1 white, and the simulated rotating beacon. Okay, I'm going to upload this to YouTube, send you the link, and then if it's okay with you, I'll send you the PayPal request and get it on the way to you first thing Tuesday. Post office won't be open tomorrow, so it'll go out Tuesday morning. Thanks, Gary.